Woo! Woo!
Ten socket. Yep. I'll receive the thread.
Yeah.
Good. Get out number. Alright, if you have one like a brush him out. If you build back them, Lord, how you gonna build back them? You can build back. What we have to do is when you do it, you have to put a screw dog in there.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay.
That you keep the hole for you. Fill out the hole. You know?
Yeah, sir.
A big old lot. So you got a machine shop to do this, then some of them refrain for do it for them for damage up. Alright.
This is definitely spares to them.
Yeah, now spare. To tell you what the engine can sell. The most important thing with this is the engine. And the engine can sell. And I like you can sell the engine for the engine. I go for about it's about 5 bills, 5-6 bills. Second depends on the mileage too. If the mileage good, you may get 8 if you're lucky. And if on this a damage on the engine, you can't sell again. Can't sell for that money. Wow, there's internal parts now. Yeah. Lesser than this, internal parts. That's how much you pay for your one.
Yeah.
Actually, the inside the engine mash up, you know. When you have internal parts problem, you know, so trouble. But if not that for your one, it's kind of reasonable still. 250. If I see kind of something like this, and just I said this is a 2 cylinder.
Yeah, it's the same thing. Yeah. Yeah.
But this is a 300 for the 250.
My son, the type of 4-stroke motor is the same.
Yeah. We have to take off the whole of the crankcase down there. This a piece have to take off. Pull off completely and drain out and clean out. But they have to be metal cutted filings getting in. When the impact leak, you don't know what if the engine pick up nothing and rotate it. Just hopefully nothing go up in the air support.
Yeah, and the cylinder head.
Alright. Yeah, no, let's file on this one.
They said it sets in 2 to 4 hours.
Yeah, but maybe like when it mix up, it come like when as you mix up, you have to use the whole of it.
Okay. Oh, that's rubbish then.
I don't know that me just I said that still.
Yeah, because it's like going hardish.
Yeah, that may I say for that the whole process.
Right, what's that thing you use when you use
when
tape
hard.
and joining?
No, like they hard, you see like they hard now. If you don't mix up, you can't go off, you know.
Yeah.
If you mix the two of them. So you could have the two of them actually near to each other in a one tube. But when they not mix.
Yeah.
It's alright. I don't know it's because you know no pressure fuck up this. Yeah, something like that. You can't even touch it. Then you have to go build up on it. That's what you're I don't know if you're
yes.
Use sandpaper over this. Right off the level. Yeah. Right. I'll try fuck up it as much as we can in our first go reach. You don't want. You go weak, you know what I mean?
True. I said the first lick is the most.
Yeah, then the next one you
So
can
it
just
builds
prep up
the
it.
strength.
Aye. The next one now you can just prep up a little bit.
Yeah. And that acts as a sealant, so if there's like a little crease, it might seep
No, man,
through.
you have to lucky, yes, yeah, man.
That seal it up.
And we hope. Hold it beside still. And you can't wait till when it quilt in you level it out. So I'm up in the top or something. I just want a little hole, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it start coming through.
Well,
But you have to go for your pliers and take out this.